Hello, hello. Dr. Clif, your movement recovery specialist. Welcome to a new series that I'm really excited about, Fridays Forgotten, where each week we're going to look at a forgotten exercise or activity and then give it a try. This first week we kick it off with a classic that most of you have likely never seen, which is a real shame because it builds a tremendous amount of core strength and doesn't put nearly the stress on your back that people think it does. The Jefferson Deadlift. The Jefferson Deadlift is named after Charles Jefferson, who was a strongman in the late 1800s with the Barnum and Bailey Circus and was known for breaking chains with his bare hands and lifting extreme weights. So let's step over here to the bar. Now, the Jefferson deadlift is also known as the straddle deadlift. So we step up to the bar and step over it. I'm going to have 1 foot in front, 1 foot behind. This keeps the weight straight underneath the body and is therefore less stress on the back. We reach down to the bar. You're basically going to turn your feet at about a 45-degree angle, but everybody's a little different in that placement. Squat down to the bar with your body staying upright as possible. Grab the bar. Most people will grab with a mixed grip like so, and your arms are straight down, not out wide. Now, if this happens where your back foot is off the ground, you're just tight in that position and you need to move your foot up some or back some. You just toy around with that. Turn your torso so it's square with the bar and you just stand up. And then come back down. Jefferson deadlift. You would then switch feet that are in the front and perform the same motion on the other side, unless you have some kind of injury history where maybe one side's painful or you have scoliosis pretty severely, then you just do the one side. Well, demonstrate again. 45 degrees, approximately, nice and tall, arms hanging straight down, squat down to the bar, torso tall, turn parallel to the bar, and then stand up. And then come back down. So that's the Jefferson Deadlift. Safe for the back, but a real workout. Strengthen all these core muscles, strengthen your hands tremendously. Give it a try. Next week, make sure to come back. I'm going to look at the Rizer deadlift. If this is your first time here and you like this, don't forget to subscribe. We do multiple videos a week on different health and fitness topics. And if you're already a member, leave a comment below on what other types of videos you'd like to see in this new segment. Thank you for coming. And remember, life is a strength sport, so get stronger and get living.